This is probably the fastest way to know if your iPhone is a new iPhone, a used iPhone, or a refurbished iPhone. The first thing you need to do is you want to get your model number. So I am currently in this is Alibaba, and this is a refurbished phone from Alibaba. So I just want to get the model number for this phone. So what you want to do is to get your model number right here. So this is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and this is the model number MU693LLA or 3LLJA. So once you get the model number, you are going to use the model number to know if this phone is used or if it was bought brand new or refurbished. And to really understand that, you want to just look at this method that Apple uses. So if your model number starts with an M, it means that that phone was bought brand new. So you might buy it as new, as used, but it was initially bought brand new. So they purchased it from Apple or the authorized sellers. If it starts with an F, it means that it has been refurbished or it was refurbished by Apple or other people who can refurbish these phones. If it is N, that means it's a replacement device. For instance, people go to swap their iPhones and they get replacement devices. So this is basically what it is. Then the other one, last but not the least, is personalized devices. So like engraved devices or customized devices. So again, if your own starts with an M, it's brand new. If it starts with an F, it is refurbished. If it starts with an N, it's a replacement device. So if you want to do that, all you have to do is go to your settings, general, about, and get your model number. So again, as you see right here, this one starts with an MU, which means this phone was initially purchased as a brand new phone. So this is the simplest method you can use to know if your iPhone is actually brand new, used, or refurbished. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe.